Mark, where's your vest? Hey, Mark. Hey, you got the flyers?
2, 1, coffee truck.
Mark!
So basically now that I've got that fatty liver, they've got me on these fat pills. So I take these fat pills and it absorbs all the fat so I don't actually
Can you
absorb
grab some of these pots?
Yeah, no, for sure. So basically I was at this hotel.
Use 2 hands.
Yeah, no, I got 2 hands. So anyways, I was at this hotel and I cramped my pants a little bit because these fat pills give you a loose stool.
I can see you're sitting with your friends.
Hey, Big Mac.
Go ahead.
Get that pallet up to 37? Oh yeah, they're on their way.
Get off the shitter pylon. Hard hat, Mark. Hey, Mark, you want to grab that hammer down there and just help me secure this?
Hey, just turn around and smile. For Instagram, I want to promote this. Just turn around. There it is.
Listen, time's up.
What?
Yeah, it's 12 o'clock. It's time to go back to work.
I just started my sandwich.
Get back to work. Where are your boots?
Oh, for the love of God. I'm feeling kind of jammed. I think we call it.
Get back to work, Mark.
I'm too full. Let's
Put your
call
vest on.
it. Let's call it.
Get back on site.
Let's call it. I'm too full, man.
Never call it.
Hey, you dog it again, you lazy.
Get the up.
You
Get
just
the
throw at me.
You throw it. What the is wrong with you?
Yo,
You lazy.
piece.
Doing you fat piece of. You don't do anything. Put that down. Put that down right now. Put it down. It's heavy. Put it the down. Put it the down. Piece of. Get the to work. You dog pigeon. You pigeon dog.
Okay. Okay. Can't even finish my lunch.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this, click the subscribe button for more Austen Alexander. And follow my boy Marc-Anthony, because we're keeping it coming.
Where are your safety glasses?
Like, dude.
It wasn't the helmet. Was it helmet?
Doesn't matter.